Sir Seth. I'm gonna be your instructor for today. So today, I'm gonna teaching you what is the 6 fundamental or 6 basic skills in volleyball. Ano, ready na ba kayo? So let's start. First basic skills or fundamental skills na kailangan natin matutunan sa volleyball is ang serving. Meron tayong 2 kinds of serving. Second one is receiving. One of the fundamental skills or basic skills na kailangan natin matutunan sa volleyball. So the next one is hooking. Fourth fundamental skills or basic skills na kailangan naman natin matutunan sa volleyball is ang spiking. So, fundamental skills or basic skills na kailangan natin matutunan sa volleyball ay ang setting. Fundamental skills na kailangan natin matutunan sa volleyball is ang lahi. At ayun, ang 6 fundamental skills or volleyball skills na kailangan natin matutunan sa volleyball. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito. Goodbye and see you sa next volleyball video clip.